Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. This is my Zager ZAD900E acoustic electric guitar. This guitar is very easy to play and sounds amazing. However, Zager Guitars was nice enough to send me a brand new Zager guitar for a new 100% honest review. So let's do this. The guitar has arrived, so let's open the box and see what's in here. The guitar is in a sturdy hard case with the Zager logo on the side. Inside is a beautiful ZAD900E acoustic electric guitar. And here's Denny Zager's autograph and pictures to add to my Zager and Evans collection. Now, I have a lot of guitars, but this one is absolutely stunning. The tobacco sunburst finish is simply beautiful. The guitar features a solid Sitka spruce top with maple binding and abalone and pearl inlay around the body and rosette. The Indian rosewood back and sides are absolutely beautiful, as you can see here. The fingerboard is rosewood with abalone and pearl fret markers with the Zager Z pearl inlay at fret 17. The headstock has the Zager logo in pearl inlay and features Grover tuners, my personal favorite. The preamp with tuner is a Fishman Aura digital sound imaging system, which makes it possible to download thousands of sound images from Fishman's online library. The accessory packet that comes with this guitar includes a nice leather strap, an additional Zager tuner, a Zager capo, Zager easy play strings, and some Zager guitar picks. The Zager picks have a really cool feature that I really like and have never seen. There's a hole in the middle of the pick that makes it possible for you to attach it to one of the tuner posts so that you don't lose it. The guitar case also has a Zager t-shirt and a stick-on pick guard packed inside. Now, I won't be using this pick guard because Zager guitars have a special finish that is scratch resistant, so a pick guard is not required. Besides, this guitar is so nice, I don't want to stick anything onto it. The guitar case also has a digital thermometer hygrometer so that you always know the temperature and humidity inside the case. Now that is very cool. No pun intended. This guitar is overseen and worked on by Denny Zager himself. Right out of the box and tuned, this guitar plays as easy as guitars I have had for years. The strings are very easy to press down, while the notes and chords sound great all the way up the neck. This guitar has a full-bodied sound with nice highs and lows. The only acoustic guitar that I own that plays easier than this one is one that I have had for years that I had specifically set up for my style of playing. I have played many high-end guitars over the years, and this one stands up to any of them. A special thank you goes out to Zager Guitars for providing this guitar for this review. You will definitely see this guitar again and again in upcoming tutorials on this channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.